Hi, I'm going to show you a small part of my family. Here we have my mom in a red shirt. She is called Marta, and she is 55 years old. She has shorter hair than my sister Daisy, who is wearing a gray shirt. Daisy is 36 years old, and she has longer hair than her daughter Manuela, who is dressed in white. She is 4 years old. Manuela is smaller than my daughter Natalia, who is 12 years old and is also dressed in a white shirt. Mariana, my other niece, who wears shirts blue. She is 9 years old and is smaller than my sister Sofia. Sofia is other daughter who is 13 years old and is dressed in a white t-shirt.